In today's video, let's talk about how to fix X cannot post tweet. So if you're trying to post a tweet within the X platform, and if you're having issues, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure is that if you have posted too many tweets on at once within a short window, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So in this situation, you just need to wait out 15 to 30 minutes before you can post a new tweet. But however, if this is not the case with you, then what you can try out is try to hop out of the Twitter app or the X app and then simply tap and hold it, head over to the eye icon. If you're on an iOS device, you simply need to head over to your iPhone storage and then offload the application. Now within the settings page, head over to storage, tap on clear data and then tap on clear all data as well. What this does is removes any sort of corrupted files which might be causing this issue, as well as it will log you out of your account. So try to log in back and try to see if the issue is now fixed. While you're at it, what you also need to ensure is that you turn off any sort of VPNs that you might be connected to. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues with it, then in this situation, what you can try out is try to reinstall the application of X onto your device or use the web version instead. So these are the few solutions that you can try out in order to fix the X cannot post tweet. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.